In this video, we will learn about action result with type in ASP.NET Core Web API application. Action result with the type is the combination of action result and specific type. It means we can return a type deriving either from action result or specific type. Let's see how it works. Now let's add one more method inside this employee controller. Since we are using the same application that we have created in our ASP.NET Core video series, okay, paste it, change the route. Then instead of this action result, now we will use action result with type. So here we will pass employee model. Then change the method name, get emp basic details. Here we have to pass parameter with type integer. If the parameter id is 0, means we will return not found method, else we will return the data directly. Instead of using this OK method, now we will return the data directly. For example, now we will return only one record. Remove all this code from here. That's it. This is how we can use action result with type in ASP.NET Core Web API application. Here we are returning not found method and then we are returning the data directly here. We can use any one or all of them based on the need of our project. Now save and run this app. Copy this URL. Go to open the Postman. Here make sure you are in get method. Then paste the URL. See here, the base route is API, then controller name. So we have to append it here. API, then controller name employee. Then we have to pass ID. Let's say 2. Then the URL is, see the route here, ID, then basic. Then enter basic. Then click send. See here, we have 200 OK status code here. And then we are returning the data here with id1 name emp1. This data is we are getting here. Okay, I hope this video is helpful to you. Thanks for watching this video.